ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
भक्ति भवति नैष्ठिकी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
रीडिंग फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 1 चैप्टर 12 टेक्स्ट नंबर 10 11 15। अस्त्र तेज स्वगदया
तेजस्वगदया
निहारम इव गोपति।
निहारमिव गोपति।
विदमन्तं सन्निकर्षे
विदमन्तं सन्निकर्षे
प्रैक्षतक इति असौ।
प्रेक्षितः
अस्त्र तेज स्वगदया
अत्र तेजस्वगदया
निहारम इव गोपति।
निहारमिव गोपति।
विदमन्तं सन्निकर्षे
विदमन्तं सन्निकर्षे
प्रयैक्षत क इति असौ।
प्रयच्छत क इति तो।
अस्त्र तेजः
अस्त्र तेजः
रेडिएशन ऑफ द ब्रह्मास्त्र
radiation of the Brahmastra
स्वगदया
Swagadaya
by means of his own club
by means of his own glove.
निहारम
Niharam
drops of dew
drops of dew.
eva
Eva
like
like
gopati
Gopati
the sun
the sun.
vidamantam
Vidamantam
the act of vanishing
the act of vanishing.
sannikarshe
Sannikarshe
nearby
nearby.
prayekshata
Prayakshata
observing
observing.
kah
Kah
Who?
Who?
Iti asau,
Iti asau,
this body.
his body.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
The Lord was thus engaged in vanquishing the radiation of a Brahmastra, just as the sun evaporates a drop of dew. He was observed by the child who thought about who he was. Please repeat. The Lord was thus engaged
The Lord was thus engaged
in vanquishing
in vanquishing
the radiation of the Brahmastra,
the radiation of the Brahmastra,
just as
just as
the sun evaporates
the sun evaporates
a drop of dew.
a drop of dew.
He was observed by the child
He was observed by the child
who thought about
who thought about
who he was.
who he was.
Take the next one. Viduvatad ameyatma
Vidoya tam yatma atma
Bhagavan dharmagub vibhuhu
Bhagavan dharmaguru vipu
mishato dasha masasya
Vitattu dashamasasya
tatraivantaradade harihi.
Tade hari.
While thus being observed by the child, the Supreme Lord, Personality of Godhead, the Super Soul of everyone, and the Protector of the righteous, who stretches in all directions and who is unlimited by time and space, disappeared as once. Purport. Child Parikshit was not observing a living being who is limited by time and space. There is a gulf of difference between the Lord and the individual living being. The Lord is mentioned herein as the supreme living being, unlimited by time and space. Every living being is limited by time and space. Even though a living being is qualitatively one with the Lord, quantitatively there is a great difference between the Supreme Soul and the common individual soul. In the Bhagavad Gita, both the living beings and the Supreme Being are said to be all-pervading. Yena sarvam idam tatam. Yet, there is a difference between these two kinds of all-pervasiveness. A common living being or soul can be all-pervading within his own limited body. But the Supreme Living Being is all-pervading in all space and all time. A common living being cannot extend its influence over another common living being by its all-pervasiveness. But the Supreme Super Soul, the Personality of Godhead, is unlimitedly able to exert his influence over all places and all times and all our living beings. And because he is all-pervasive, unlimited by time and space, he can appear even within the womb of the mother of child Parikshit. He is mentioned herein as the protector of the righteous. Everyone who is a surrendered soul unto the Supreme is righteous and is specifically protected by the Lord in all circumstances. The Lord is the indirect protector of the unrighteous also, for he rectifies their sins through his external potency. The Lord is mentioned herein as one who is dressed in the 10 directions. This means dressed with garments on 10 sides, up and down. He is present everywhere and can appear and disappear at his will from everywhere and anywhere. His disappearance from the sight of the child Parikshit does not mean that he appeared on the spot from any other place. He was present there, and even after his disappearance, he was there, although invisible to the eyes of the child. This material covering of the different effulgent firmament is also something like a womb of the Mother Nature, and we are all put into the womb by the Lord, the Father of all living beings. He is present everywhere, even in his material womb of Mother Durga, and those who are deserving can see the Lord. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine नमां विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिन् इति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे अस्त्र तेज स्वगदया निहारम एव गोपति विदमन्तं सन्निकर्षे प्रयेक्षत क इति असौ. The Lord was thus engaged in vanquishing the radiation of the Brahmastra, just as the sun evaporates a drop of dew. He was observed by the child who thought about who he was. Viduyatad ameyatma bhagavan dharmagup vibhuh mishato dasa masasya tatraiva dadhe harihi. While thus being observed by the child, the Supreme Lord, personality of Godhead, the super soul of everyone and the protector of the righteous, who stretches in all directions and is unlimited by time and space, disappeared at once. So the first shloka is a continuation of what we said yesterday, when Parikshit Maharaj, in the womb of Mother Uttara, he saw the Lord carrying a club, Gada, and he was encircling the Gada in all directions to dissipate the heat. And here it says in the 10th shloka that he doused the fire just as the sun rays remove the dew. In the morning there is dew, but when sun comes out, the dew is gone, evaporates. So again, Bhagavatam gives its beautiful examples. This is one of them. Analogies. And so, as he was being observed by Parikshit Maharaj, he disappeared. He did his job and he disappeared. So here, another quality of Krishna is being discussed by Suta Goswami. He says, he calls him, he says, Viduya, completely washed off. What? Ame Atma. By whom? Ame Atma. The all-pervading super soul. Paramatma. Ame Atma. Bhagavan. And Dharmagup. Dharmagup, meaning who protects the right people. And he is also Vibhu. Krishna is Vibhu, the Supreme, the Great. Mishatah. Mishatah. What? Dasha Masasya. Dasha Masasya. Dasha means 10. Like we have Dasharath. He was riding 10 chariots at the same time. Actually, he was fighting in all 10 directions, riding his chariot. Sometimes people say he is not Krishna, he can't be riding 10 chariots. But he's fighting in all the 10 directions, riding a chariot. That's why his name is Dasharath. So same way here, Krishna is having. So Parikshit Maharaj could, in that one thumb, he could see that his presence is everywhere. So Krishna ultimately became Antaha, unseen, out of sight. So here, Srila Prabhupada discusses this quality of Krishna, that he is not limited. Although he is looking like a thumb, but he is unlimited. His presence is everywhere. See, we generally say we have time and we have space, right? All of us, we are occupying some space and we are affected by time. Although Our identity is only 1/10,000th part of the tip of a hair, but still it occupies some space. And of course, when we say, it includes the body definitely occupies the space. We know that. If you want to experience that, then go on a motorcycle, and then you will see that you're cutting the wind. Wind is coming in the opposite direction, so you are cutting, and then everything flows. All your clothes and hair and everything. So you are some object, which is cutting the space. But Krishna is not like that. This is the one big difference between soul and super soul. We are limited. Although we have the same quality as Krishna, but our quantity is not there. We cannot do what Krishna can do. Number one. Number two, we can only experience our own presence, We cannot influence somebody else's presence, his soul with our soul, of course somebody may say, oh, you interact with him, etc., etc. That's all on the bodily level. The soul, one soul, we don't know what's happening in other soul there. We are not aware of that. Krishna is aware of all the souls at all the times. Our remembrance is limited. Krishna's remembrance is unlimited. Paramatma. That's why we don't know what we did in the past lives, whereas the Paramatma knows because he has been recording it all the time. All the time, everything was being recorded. And that's why we suffer or enjoy now. People have this big question always. Why I am suffering? That's the biggest question in the world today. Why I am suffering? I have not done anything wrong. Why I am suffering? But the Paramatma knows what all we did. So these are some of the differences, and that's what Suta Goswami is saying, that stretching in all directions, and he is on the protector of the righteous, Dharma Gupt. That's another quality of Krishna. But Prabhupada says he even protects the unrighteous by putting them under the clutches of Maya, and then one day they realize that they are under Maya, It takes a long time, sometimes many, many lifetimes. So those of us who have just come in contact with this Krishna consciousness, able to read Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, we should feel very fortunate. If you don't feel fortunate even after coming here, then we miss the bus. We will miss the bus. This is a bus, spiritual bus. Just take the shelter of a spiritual master. Cling on to his dhoti or kurta or whatever, because when he goes, he takes you wherever he goes. Meaning, stick to his orders. Obey his orders, carry out his orders. And through that, we can ultimately go back to God. Thank you so much. I'd like to stop here. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Durga Ma is she is the mother of the material world, That's why we say Ma, Jai Mata Di. So in her womb also Krishna is there, like that. So he only creates through her.